Sochi Mariah. Life is deeper. You cannot define it. It has many faces. You cannot define. Life is deeper. With many angles. Life is deeper. You cannot define. It has many angles. With many faces. Life is deeper. You cannot define. Life is deeper. With many. Life is deeper.
Please. You are dead. If you come close, I will use this knife and kill you the second time. Don't go close.
Can you stop, Okombo? I'm alive.
You're not alive. You can't meet those that killed you now. I'm the person that killed you. Don't come and disturb me now.
Okombo, I'm alive. Flesh and blood.
No. God, please, I use Holy Ghost fire. I punish you. I fire you with Holy Ghost fire. You will not make it to this life again. You are not alive.
Can you stop, Okombo? You can feel my palm.
Please, I'll feel it. I don't want to feel it. Don't show your hand. Please, no.
I'm alive, Okombo.
Put your hand outside. You're alive.
I'm alive, Okombo.
You are dead. I thought you are dead too. Imagine I missed you.
Miss you too, Okombo.
Are you sure? Come to daddy. Look at you. Seriously, I missed you.
I miss you too.
It's good to be back.
Please, I beg you, don't kill me, please. Have mercy on me. I am my mother's only. Please.
They talk with the followers.
No!
They say we come here to come joke with you. Now listen, one more word from you. If I hear pim from you again, I swear, I go ban you. In fact, lie down.
Please.
Lie down!
Oh, please.
Like, let's kill this guy and move on.
Don't kill me.
Drop your weapon. Anything you do or say will be used against you in the court of law.
Shut up! Fool!
Please don't kill me.
Idiot. Maybe I tell you say this road we will follow no lead. Shit! Guy free me. I take no say that this road no go well.
They just escape these people.
Nah, no go gree. You know say they don't pay us for this work. I no go gree make this work kaput. You know what will happen? We go back, they go finish that guy. They hear me so. They feel me. Wait that side.
You guys don't want to escape.
This place no go well. Let's move. shot the wrong guy, man.
Let's leave before the villagers come and catch us. Come on, let's go. Let's go, man. Come on, let's go.
I'm yet to understand who is behind this. Oh boy, yeah, come. Aboye kamujukeya Bikola puno Otumo kukomada Polisa batala mose maka Emejoromo
Up till now, I don't know why that woman wants me dead. I never offended her in any way.
You're right, though. The truth is that one of them was captured and he confessed that they are the people that kidnapped you and killed you. See, let me tell you, Chikere, you need to speak to Mary at once.
Mary believes I'm dead.
Hey, see, you love her. Eh? Go and talk to her. Take your chance. Now the coast is very, very clear.
That would require me going to the city.
Stop giving excuses. If it needs you going to the city, move. Go there. We're talking about love. You get the point?
I get the point.
My word. Wow. It's okay. Don't put your legs in. Hey, but wait till I bring my chair. At least you can now afford fish for long. So this is the best thing I have. My grandmother got it. You can go for a game and once. I'm happy for you. Daddy, I'll have you. Very necessary. Yeah, look. Go on. Go on. Water me to you. Wait. Let's see where you got there.
How are you feeling now?
I feel cold. Please, get me hot water. Might be of help.
You want me to get you hot water? Don't worry, Mama, I'll get it. You'll be fine here. Nothing will happen to you. Don't worry. Come here.
Emejoromonye 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 Onye ka mejoro Biko Banume.
No, don't come. Don't come close to me. You are dead. You are dead. You are dead. Don't come. Please. You are dead.
Jesus. No, please don't come. Don't come to us, please. Don't come to us. Stay there.
Mama, I'm alive.
I don't believe you. Come here. I don't believe you. Hey. He's alive. He's alive, Brother,
are you alive?
Ikola pumo Olisa batala mose enyemaka emejọrọ m onye emejọrọ m onye emejọrọ m onye.
Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. You really tried your best.
Here, all thanks should be directed to God. Thank God it has finally ended.
Yes, I know. But that was my most horrid experience. I mean, how would someone accuse me of taking another person's life?
I understand how you feel. The most important thing now is you're free. You've been vindicated. The truth of the matter is you were in the wrong place at the wrong time. How on earth could I have imagined that your grandmother could hurt a fly?
Well, I'm not a better judge. I just hope she comes out of this.
I understand. Well, thank God it's all over now. Thank God for everything. You see, Mary, there is something I've been longing to tell you. I know it's not the right time, not the right place, but I can't continue keeping it in my heart.
Richie, what is it you want to say to me?
Will you marry me?
Richard.
Please just say yes. All I want to hear from you is yes. I have daydreamed it. I have imagined it. Please, I want you to spend the rest of your life with me. I want you to be the mother of my children. I want to wake up in the morning and see you beside me. I want to see you put your head on my chest. I want to love you to the end of this.
Yes.
I want to take you places.
Yes, I'll marry you.
You just say yes.
Yes.
Thank you. I will love you to the end of time. I will cherish you and I will adore you.
We go through processes for a change in life.
This is beautiful.
We go through processes for a change in life. Sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around, look the mark you leave behind. Life must give whatever it has for you. Be wise.
Oh, honey, I know you're worried about everything that happened.
Yes, I feel so ashamed. How could my mother do this to her son and grandson? She's even here to tell us what transpired between her and Angela's mother.
Oh, come on there. That is women affairs. We should be more concerned in trying to release her from detention.
What will suggest that? My mother committed a crime and she's paying for it. She's paying for the crime she committed.
Yes, she did. But the policemen said that the men hired didn't kill your son. So he's alive somewhere. I hope someday there will be proof.
But how can I even stand to look at my mother's face again? Eh? After what she made our daughter pass through. Our daughter passed through humiliation and torture.
Come on, dear. Stop dwelling in the past. Our daughter has equally moved on. It is time to forgive your mother and move on too. Okay, honey? Darling, that's okay.
It's okay.
All right. I'll be waiting for you in the bedroom. Please, don't be long.
And that was how it happened. I was lucky to have escaped.
My son, I'm not just lucky. The God I serve and pray to saved you. I've been praying for death to take me, but death refused to take me. I thank God that I'm alive today to see him.
Brother, why didn't you come back that same day?
I needed to lie low. I don't know who was after my life.
The body that was buried in this compound, who was he?
Okwe.
Who is Okwe?
My customer. Unfortunately for Okwe, he was there at that time. He took the bullet that was meant for me. After now, go see his people. I'll tell them what happened to Okwe.
Joa. My son, it's where they no go.
Onye ka mejọrọ biko gwanume. I'm yet to understand.
I'm happy you came. Welcome.
Uncle, I don't understand.
We need to cleanse the compound to avert any evil consequences that might befall us, as a result of your returning,
Uncle can't it wait? I have to go to the city and return.
My son, a stitch in time saves 9. My son, we have to start now to avert any evil consequences. Have you contacted the family of the man that was mistaken for you?
I've sent words across to them. But Uncle, how soon can we perform these rituals?
As soon as possible. I will consult you today. And then I'll proceed to gather the necessary materials for the ritual.
Okay.
I'm happy you came back alive, strong and healthy. No.
Uncle, I'll be going home now.
It's okay. I'll join you soon. I'll be there. Let me finish with this little...
All right,
I'll meet you.
The heart is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things live in it. The good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows and understands the heart of man. Life is deeper. You cannot define.
Very wicked. And thank God at least Chikere is alive to tell the story. See, I know the God has helped me. In the Bible, I know my flow of fish will never end. I'm telling you. I will continue eating fish.
Confucianist. Confucianist. You and fish. No good at forget. See your tummy no good at forget. Urini.
Orachofe. No, wait. Come to think of it. I have noticed this thing. Why are you always jealous each time we talk about Chikere? Are you jealous of him?
Why should I be jealous of him? Why? What for? Tell me. Is he more successful than me? Is he?
Okay, have you seen a bad-headed man that is a rich man before? It's never possible. Look at those people that have money. Look at $1. He has hair. Look at Dangote. Innocent has hairs too. P2B has hair. Then if you come down to poor people that don't have hair, you'll be hearing their names. Very annoying. You hear people like Malefe, Eganor, people like you now. You are suffering.
You've seen the first bar-headed man that is rich. That is me.
God forbid that you get money. God forbid. You will not get money anything.
You look at yourself. Hey. You've even lost your location. We are not going this direction. We are heading towards this direction. This way, my friend.
At least it's something that calls for celebration. Any road you want us to take, we'll take.
Are you calls for celebration? My friend, let us go. Idiot.
Approach the keke.
Come ballistic, come.
See, you see me looking at me presently.
You know what I'm seeing? Poor man. Let's go. Let's go, poor man.
So I've given my life to Christ. If not, I'll show you my worldly self.
It's not been easy for me, Mama. Every time I close my eyes, I still see them pointing a gun at me.
Forbid.
I've not been able to get it off my mind.
My son, God has set you free. And you are free forever. Kamchukwage, do you know what I passed through? Do you know what I went through? I almost died.
You will live. You will see your children's children.
Brother, are you still going to the city?
City what? You want to kill me? I know that you want to kill me.
No, Mama, stop.
So why do you want to go back to the city? Why?
Mama, look at me. I assure you I'll go and come back. Mary has to know that I'm alive.
Mary, what? Is it necessary? It's not necessary now. Biko no.
Mama, I need to go to the city. And I'll show you one thing, I'll come back. I'll come back.
Be very careful though.
Nothing will happen to me.
It's a good idea. He needs to go and apologize to Mary. She was accused wrongly. I would have loved to go and apologize with my brother self.
But I don't buy the idea. Biko no. Please be very careful.
I'll be careful.
I don't want anything to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to me.
Oh, I fear one the Mura. Say yellow.
I'm ever come. You're free.
The news is everywhere that Chikere is alive. How come? But they buried him in their compound, even though as a native of this village, I was not supposed to see his dead body according to custom and tradition, because he died near the river. But I saw his grave. How come? I don't know what to believe anymore.
What have you come here to do? After betraying me, you come to my house? If you know what is good for you, leave this compound now.
Please, I am sorry. I'm sorry. I know what I did was not expected of a friend. I'm sorry.
Nkechi, you were not just a friend. You were my sister. I mean, how could you do such a thing? How could you hurt someone? It's evil.
I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. I don't know. I'm sorry. Please.
Nkechi, you betrayed me. You betrayed me. You hurt me. You stabbed me at the back.
I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry. Please. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I've forgiven you.
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
I came here to apologize to you and to also tell you that I'll be leaving for the city.
I hope all is well.
Yes, I just need to go.
It's okay. Go well as you go.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Be smooth at times, tongues and tistles could feel the way. Lessons of life. If you are arrogant, life has a way of changing you. If you live simple and careful, life has a way to favor you. Whichever way you decide to live your life, whatever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So deep. Life is so mysterious. Life is so.
I'm very sorry. I should have listened to the voice of reasoning. But I was overwhelmed by the hatred I had for your grandmother. I'm sorry.
Grandma, no.
I'm sorry. Alone be good.
So, she's been my sister all along.
Yes.
How could you keep such a thing away from me? So all this side talks about my parentage is true.
And where is your mother?
She's married. She married a Nigerian who is an ambassador to the United States. She rarely speaks to me. I guess she doesn't want anything to remind her of her past.
You're always welcome back home. This is your home now. I think we should all forget everything that happened and forge ahead.
I think so too. Let's forget everything and move ahead. Especially now that we are preparing for traditional marriage.
Traditional marriage?
So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so.
Yeah, man. Bro, I must confess, very, very brave. A brave man. When I heard his story, ghost pimples took over my skin. I was in your position, I don't think I would have survived it. Of course you would have survived it. Your instinct would always tell you what to do. So can we just stop talking about me and let's talk about you? How are you planning your marriage? Oh, yeah. That is a woman's place. At the same time, most times they are the ones doing the preparation. But for me, I've sent the invitation to those people concerned. I've made up my mind to take my wife home. So we're on it. My sister's lucky to have you. Or should I say you are lucky to have my sister? Better still, you both are lucky to have each other. Whichever one, yeah, we're both lucky to have each other. Yeah. Every blessed day I keep thanking God for bringing your sister to me. For me meeting her. She's the best thing that has ever happened to me. Wow. I'm so happy I met her. Wow. Let's toast to a successful life, marriage, prosperity also. Thank you.
Live simple and careful. Life has a way to favor you.
Why are you even acting like this? Why are you acting like this? If anybody should tell me that you are this hard-hearted, I will never believe. What are you even doing as if I'm asking for a different thing? It's your brother. Give me your brother Chikere's contact. Let me call him and meet him up. And you're acting as if I'm asking for a different thing altogether.
Okombo,
Okombo, you're right.
I said you should wait for him to come back and give you his contact by himself. You're disturbing me.
No. You are not like this now. Why must you be like this? Is he not your brother again?
Is he not your friend again? Wait for your friend now.
Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Come on, number. Disturbing me. Okombo, the food is ready. Mama, how do you actually know that I'm losing weight?
Who doesn't know you in this community? Everybody knows that you like food. How do I eat your food, Joe?
Let me shock you. I'm not hungry. I'm okay.
Do you know what?
Now let me tell you. If you don't come, I give you 2 seconds. If I don't see you,
don't force me. Let it not be as if I want
2 seconds. If I don't see you, I will eat your food.
Mama, I hope it's not the food I want to eat or you want to give to this Chizzy for me. I watch our pancake.
Where the good or bad, Nkonye melune chea, Obi mada joka, Sochi Maraya. Life is deeper, you cannot define it. It has many faces, you cannot define. Life is deeper, with many hands. Life is deeper.
What is it now? What is it? Don't follow. What is it?
Your house is on fire.
Hey,
Mama, your house is on fire.
Also, quite get about the wagon. My repasso. Why am not stop? No, good knock on me now, shoes on. Hey, you see this for pushing me, you don't give birth to another baby. What is wrong with this road today? First one push, second one cutlass. Come back. You're a man. And man I am. Must go through this part.
Whichever way you decide to live your life, ever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So deep. Life is so mysterious. Life is so.
I thought they said our house. Nothing happened to your house. That was the only way I can get Nneka to come back as soon as possible.
Eh? Hey, because let me just go and drink water. My strength is failing me.
I'm sorry,
what kind of a joke?
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry.
I've been waiting for you to say this for a very long time now.
Well, let us just say fate has its way on we mortals. The most important thing is that I've said it now. And you are beautiful.
I'm happy you're still alive.
Of course I'm alive. I'm alive for this day. To look into your eyes and tell you how much I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Nneka, will you marry me?
What?
My daughter, as our tradition demands, take this drink and show us who's your husband.
Because one is Dikeh and Akobada na aka. Wani ibe mu.
Asanwa. Mama bro me.
Achalugo wine.
Adamu.
Pepper Joss. Iwuro le wa lili. Cha nwa. She's coming.
Otogago ba ma ba tabego. Jawannem. Bia ozo dem. Hey, Achalugo wanye. Nwa marama. Tomato juice. Bia, come to daddy. She's coming.
We go through processes for a change in life. We go through processes for a change in life. Sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around, look the mark. You leave behind. Life must give whatever it has for you. Be wise. Learn from this life so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It could be sloppy. It could be smooth at times. Tongues and thistles could feel the way. Lessons of life. If you are arrogant, life has a way of changing you. If you live simple and careful, life has a way to favor you. Whichever way you decide.
I give you my fatherly blessings. You give birth to your children. You see your children's children. And so shall it remain.
Yabo bambu, yabo bambu.
Be cautious of life, so mysterious. Life is so mysterious.
Honey, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Just nightmare.
Would you want me to get you some water?
No. Don't worry, I will be fine. Just go back to bed. Go to sleep.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay.
Alright, sleep.
I thought you have ended things with Belinda.
To be honest with you, we didn't end it well. I caught her cheating on me and I broke up with her. Yes. Then the next thing, she came to me telling me she's pregnant for me. Of course, I know it wasn't mine.
Maybe she was pregnant before she cheated on you. Who knows?
What is wrong with you? Chinedu, you are so gullible. Listen to me. Belinda was a whore. Breaking up with her was divine. But at the same time, I don't know why I'm still feeling like this.
Okay, why don't you let things go?
Because I don't want any problem between me and my wife.
Come on, man. There's nothing to worry about. Enjoy your marriage and forget the past. Forget her. Nothing.
Cheers.
Richard.
Sir.
It's thoughtful of you.
Thank you, sir.
America is a good place to raise children. But I prefer Nigeria.
Oh, yeah, you're right, sir. Same here. But sir, I have my reasons. I want to relocate my family to America.
Ha! So I have to fly such long mile to come for Mugo? Not to worry, mother. We will adjust. Like when you visit, you stay for 6 months before you go back.
Exactly.
6 months?
Sorry? Mary, let me see you inside. Excuse me. Excuse us.
Richard, sorry.
Okay, mother. Yes. Oh, do you like it?
This is beautiful. No, Mom, no. It's not necessary, please.
No, I mean it. It's from my heart. Please. Take it.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
You are the best mother in the whole world.
I know.
Oh, yep. So, Daddy, you have to go now.
Take care of yourselves.
It's alright.
Please take care of that deal.
I will. Oh.
Have a safe trip. Oh.
Bye.
Sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around, look the mark. You leave behind. Life must give whatever it has for you. Be wise. Learn from this life, so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It could be sloppy. It could be smooth at times. Turns and twists could feel the way. Lessons of life. If you are arrogant, life has a way of changing you. If you live simple and careful, life has a way to favor you. Whichever way you decide to live your life, ever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious.
you alright?
My God. My God.
Is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things living in it. The good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows and understands the heart of man. Life is deeper. You cannot define. Has many faces. Deeper, you cannot define it. Life is deeper with many angles. Be careful in the journey of life. Life is like a seed. What you sow, you must reap. Whether good or bad, nkonye melune chea. Obi mada joka, sochi maraya. Life is deeper, you cannot define it. It has many faces. You cannot define. Life is deeper with many angles. Life is deeper. Is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things living in it. The good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows and understands the heart of man. Life is deeper. You cannot define. Has many faces. Deeper, you cannot define it. Life is deeper with many angles. Be careful in the journey of life. Life is like a seed. What you sow, you must reap. Whether good or bad, nkonye melune chea.